Hello and welcome to the eARENA app. In this video, we will demonstrate registration on the app. First, head to the Play Store or App Store, download the eARENA app and open it. Either click on Skip or Next. Click on I am a new user to register. Enter your mobile number and click on Continue. Enter the OTP received via SMS. Type out your PAN card details like your PAN number and date of birth. Your name will be fetched automatically. Click on Verify PAN. Now, let's initiate the process to register your account. Click on Proceed when you're ready. Step 1. Enter your personal details. Select the mobile number and email ID relationship from the drop-down tab. If the mobile number and email ID belong to you, then select Self. If the number and ID belong to someone else, then select their relation to you. Click on Continue. Remember, the mobile number that you've entered may not match the mobile number in your KYC records. So, choose to continue with either your entered mobile number or your KYC mobile number. Next, it's time to verify your email ID. Enter the OTP received on your email address. Click on Verify Email. Click on Continue. Now, enter some more personal details like your gender, occupation, citizenship and tax status. Click on Continue. Your address will be fetched automatically. Click on Proceed. Good job! You're done with step 1. Now, let's move ahead to step 2. Step 2. Enter your bank details. Verify your bank account. You can either do this with UPI, which will be faster, or manually. If you choose to verify with your UPI, press Proceed. Select your preferred UPI app and click on Continue. Kudos! Your bank account has been verified. Now, you can either select Yes, Continue or No, I want to change if you wish to alter something. You may want to verify your bank details manually. Fill in your bank details and click on Verify Bank Account. You may be alerted that your KYC name does not match your bank name. In this case, click on Verify Name. Upload a cancelled check or any other bank document of yours. The uploaded bank document should be in the JPG, JPEG, PNG or PDF format, and the file size should be between 650 KB to 5 MB. Click on Proceed. Voila! That's step 2 completed. Now on to step 3. Step 3. Add a nominee and submit your declaration. Here you can either select Add Nominee or choose to do this later. Enter your FATCA details. Confirm your place of birth, income range and if you're a politically exposed person. Click on Continue. Review your details one last time via preview sent to your mobile number or email ID. If everything is in place, click on Continue. Hooray! Your request to open an account on the eARENA app has been submitted. It's now time to give your final consent. Enter the OTP sent both to your mobile number and email ID. Tick the small box at the bottom asking for your consent. Click on Confirm. That's it! You're now part of the Anand family. Welcome. Lastly, click on Set MPIN for a secure login. Enter your new MPIN, re-enter it and click on Save and Continue. Reminder, you can click on Enable to enable biometric login too. Woohoo! Now log in and start your investing journey with us. Happy investing!